Give me 1 minute and I'll show you how to transform your videos from snooze fest to blockbuster hits. Happy New Year, CC fam! Have you ever wondered why some videos grab your attention while others leave you reaching for the next scroll? It's all about finding that sweet spot in video length. This might just be the best advice on video creation that I've ever heard. Keep it around 90 seconds. Yes, you heard it right, 90 seconds. Think of it like a mini drama, long enough to tell a compelling story, short enough to leave them craving more. Remember, attention spans are precious. Whether you're showcasing a property, explaining a mortgage deal, or just saying hi to your audience, 90 seconds is the sweet spot. It's the sweet spot where engagement peaks, viewers stay hooked, and your message gets heard loud and clear. So, ready to make your videos the talk of the town? Let's get that clock ticking.